Hey everyone, Mandy Gladden here. Today I'm unboxing some products from Perdue Farms that were sent to me. I'm honored to be partnering with Perdue Farms, a family of farmers since 1920, and they're coming up on their 100th anniversary, which is pretty amazing. Super special for me because they are a local company. They've been around for obviously a very long time. They're a company of integrity. They're a company of animal welfare. They treat their animals very humanely. I was able to visit different chicken houses and see and even kind of go through the factories and how they process everything, really from the egg all the way through. And I was super impressed by the company. But they sent me some products to show you, and I want to go over those. But I also want you guys to know that Perdue is more than just chicken. I know if you think, okay, Perdue Farms, you think chicken. I was the same way, and the company is local here. It's founded locally, and I thought, oh, it's just chicken. So much more than that. There are many brands that fall under the umbrella of Perdue. They even have pet treats. They've got Spot Farms and Full Moon dog treats. These treats are 100% human grade, so they're actually made with the type of quality that even humans could eat them, so that's pretty cool. So you could eat these. I wouldn't recommend it, but you could. We actually tried them, and they're kind of tasty, I'm not going to lie. But those are their dog treats, and then they also have Coleman Natural. They also have Niman Ranch and some other companies that offer some premium meats, things like pork and beef, so other things besides chicken. So we're going to go over that a little bit, and then stay tuned. I've got a little surprise for you at the end about how you can get some of these products as well. They sent these to me, the products in this box right here. You can see it's a really nice box. It's got the Perdue Farms logo on it, really nice. They ship everything in dry ice because obviously these are frozen items, so you want them to be able to stay cold. So I'm going to show you what they sent me. First thing I'm going to show you in here are the Perdue Dino Nuggets. Kids love these. These are awesome. They're little dino cutout chicken nuggets, super popular with the kids. Again, 100% all natural chicken, no preservatives, no fillers. One of the biggest things for me when I'm buying Perdue chicken, and I've been buying Perdue chicken ever since I started buying chicken, is that they have no antibiotics ever. There's no steroids or hormones. There's no animal byproducts in the feed that they feed the chicken. So it's really important for me. They're cage-free in the USA. So all of these things are super important to me. And you'll also see with Niman Ranch and Coleman Naturals that they also adhere to the same standards with their beef and their pork and the other meats that they're offering. They also are no antibiotics ever, all vegetarian diet, no steroids, no hormones, that type of thing. So really, really important for me and my family. I try to stay away from any of that kind of stuff. I don't want my kids ingesting antibiotics when they don't need to. So this is one of the reasons why I've been buying Perdue for years. So again, you've got the Dino Nuggets. These were sent to me. These are panko breaded Dino Nuggets. I love panko breading on things. And you get a bag of chicken nuggets, and your kids will love them. And Perdue also has many different kinds of chicken nuggets. Actually, for lunch today, we ate Purdue's the regular chicken nuggets, and they also have now the Chicken Plus, which has a quarter cup of vegetables in the chicken nuggets. So your kids don't even know they're getting a quarter cup of vegetables with every serving. How awesome is that? But they taste the same. They taste like chicken nuggets. They can't taste the vegetables at all. So pretty cool. All right, the next item that we're going to look at comes from Coleman Natural, and this is their uncured bacon. So one of the things I look for when I'm looking for things like bacon is I want it uncured. I want no nitrates or no nitrates added. I don't want the extra preservatives. I don't want the MSG. I don't want all that extra stuff. It doesn't go well for my body, and it really isn't great for anyone's body. So super important to me. No antibiotics ever, no hormones added, no animal byproducts, all vegetarian fed. So this is their uncured bacon. The next thing that I'm gonna take out of here is from Niman Ranch. Niman Ranch is a cool company too. They also are no antibiotics ever, no added hormones, no these are actually gluten-free, but none of the junk that you don't want. So these also don't have the nitrates and added things in it, which is super important to me again. And they also have a certified humane certification sticker on here as well. They're really awesome with their animals, as is Perdue. So that's super important to me too. These are the uncured bacon wrapped with rosemary pork chops. So in each little package right here, there's 2 pork chops. They're each wrapped in bacon, and you've got the rosemary sticking out right here, which is super yummy. I'm excited for these, so they sent me a couple of those. So again, Perdue is not just chicken. The next thing I have in here is from Niman Ranch. This is all natural pork breakfast sausage. Again, it doesn't have any of the junk in it. You know, you're not going to get the extra like nitrates and things like that. You know, when I'm buying breakfast sausage, I'm always like, all right, don't give me the added nitrates. Don't give me the MSG. Don't give me all that junk. And Niman Ranch doesn't have any of that. And of course, the no antibiotics ever, no hormones, that kind of thing. So this is a all natural pork breakfast sausage. And the last item is from Perdue. Close that. So the last item is from Perdue. It's their Harvest Land chicken breast tenderloins. When I buy chicken from Perdue, I always buy the Harvest Land chicken breasts, and I always like the individually wrapped ones. It's just so much more convenient for me. I can just take them out one at a time. There's not as much mess. I can freeze the other ones that if I buy the fresh, I can freeze the other ones that I don't use. So in here, you're going to get 4 to 5 individually wrapped pouches of the chicken breast tenderloins. All natural, no hormones or steroids added, no antibiotics ever, fed an all vegetarian diet, you know, cage free. Like, this is really, really important to me, and I think it should be important to you too. We want to make sure we're feeding our families good quality meats, and we don't want all the extra junk that many companies throw in there, and we just want to make sure they're of the highest quality, and of course that they were raised and cared for very humanely. And that's the case with Perdue and Niman Ranch and Coleman Natural. They are really great companies, of course, all under the Perdue umbrella, that offer really premium meats for your family. So what's the surprise? So you might say, Mandy, I can't get Niman Ranch, or I can't get Coleman Natural in my store. I totally hear you. I understand that. But starting today, like right this minute, Perdue Farms has a full e-commerce website. So it is going to be, you can get these products shipped directly to you from Perdue to your house, just like I did, just like this. I mean, how awesome is that? I'm all about that. I'm all about sitting at home in my PJs, ordering the stuff that I want, and having it shipped to my door. And you can do that now with Perdue. It's going to be PerdueFarms.com. I will give you the direct links below as well, but you can go on there and you can buy not just these items, but so many more. There's whole chickens on there. You can get all kinds of different beef, pork products, nuggets, organic items as well. Perdue does have some organic frozen items as well. And you can get all of these things shipped to you in dry ice, so they will be super, super cold right to your doorstep. So I'm really, really excited about this, and it just really helps you meal plan better, I think. So I can be like, all right, I've got these frozen pork chops. I can have them on this day, or I can have, maybe I'm gonna make some chicken pot pie with these tenderloins, and I know that I can take out a couple pouches and I don't have to use the whole package, and I can put the rest of the rest of the pouches back. Or I know I've got bacon for breakfast. Like, it's really a lot more cost effective to me if I can order ahead and kind of see how much everything is costing and then plan everything out. And I think that's what's really awesome with this e-commerce site. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys are a little bit more intrigued with Perdue Farms and what they all have to offer. I hope you hop on the website and order some chicken, some pork, some beef, some sausage, some chicken nuggets, all kinds of things that you can order. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments. Stay tuned. I'll be offering more things like this, and hopefully some coupons and things like that that you can redeem on the website. So excited about it. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me in my kitchen. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.